Plants are source of healthy, vibrant life and can uplift the energy in your home. Here are the 5 different types of money plants for indoors. You can add them to your plant collection that's said to bring good fortune and prosperity. So let's get some good luck and beautify our homes at the same time. So we are going to start with the money tree. Money trees or pachira aquatica are considered a symbol of luck and prosperity. It's also an easy plant to care for. It grows well indoors and can tolerate lower light environments. The stems are often braided, symbolizing longevity. 3 stems represent new beginnings, while 5 stems relate to the 5 feng shui elements. Golden Pothos. The Golden Pothos is speedy and easy grower, making it another plant connected with gaining wealth. Pothos plants like bright indirect light but not direct sunlight. They don't like to be overly wet and should be allowed to dry out before watering heavily. The long vines of Golden Pothos are often used to frame the wealth center in the home or to establish boundaries. Lucky bamboo, despite its name, is actually part of Dracaena family and is believed to bring wealth. Lucky bamboo has a reputation of encouraging prosperity and good fortune in feng shui practice. You can watch lucky bamboo care and propagation videos on this channel. Links are in the description. Chinese money plant. Easy to care for, this money plant type grows quickly and easy to propagate. This plant is believed to attract money and good fortune. This is a great decorative plant that brings wealth and prosperity. Apart from that, taking care of this plant is quite accessible. Place it in bright, indirect sunlight and well-drained soil. Jade plant. It is believed that plants with round or oval foliage bring money and fortune, and the jade plant is one of them. And for that reason, it is generally gifted during new venture openings. Jade plant attracts money as well as purifies indoor air. It is a beautiful money plant with round coin-shaped leaves. According to feng shui, this plant brings good fortune, wealth, prosperity and happiness to the home. Hope you find this video useful. Subscribe for more houseplants videos.